mammals and freshwater animals. The first animal we're going to talk about is a starfish, which is a saltwater animal. And they also can be called sea stars. They live in the ocean. The next saltwater animal is an octopus, who also lives in the ocean. And there are 300 different types of octopuses. The final saltwater animal is a jellyfish. And jellyfish got their name because they look like they're made of jelly. Now let's talk about freshwater animals. Alligators live in a swamp, and alligators continue to grow their whole lives. The next freshwater animal is a goldfish. Many people have goldfish as pets. Do you have a pet goldfish? Goldfish actually see more colors than humans do. And the last freshwater animal we're going to talk about are turtles. Turtles can also be pets. And turtles eat earthworms, snails, and beetles. The end.